where the Church of Christ, in partnership with the Felix Y. Manalo Foundation, handed over to the village a new water pump, pumping out 10,000 liters of fresh and clean water every hour. Further health improvements through new restroom facilities were also inaugurated and donated through new toilets, clean and sanitary, along with repaintings of homes instilling dignity once again in the community.
Once we have good water, we are not going to suffer a lot with diseases. It is very good. It's a good quality and people can even drink this water. This toilet is going to help our people. So many people have been lacking toilets, but this one is going to help so many people.
Sa awa po ng Panginoong Diyos ay napaisip po sa mga nangunguna po sa amin sa distrito nito nang nagdumalaw po, nang makita pong kalagayan ng mga may kapansanan po sa dakong ito ay naisipan pong hilingin at idagdag na sila po ay mapagtayuan ng maayos po na palikuran po, na may maayos na flushing, may maayos po na flooring, madaling linisin, kasama po ang malinis na tubig po para po sa kalusugan ng mga naandito po.
But they have traveled all the way to come here and make sure that there is water in Chireka Rehabilitation Center. Water means everything. Water is life. So we really want to thank the Executive Minister, Mr. Eduardo Menalo, for the kind gesture that is going to change people's lives. It's so amazing that somebody could have a heart like that.